Shuffling a list of objects. How do I shuffle a list of objects? I tried random.shuffle, but it outputs
Random.shuffle should work. Here's an example, where the objects are lists. Note that shuffle works in place and returns none. More generally in Python, mutable objects can be passed into functions, and when a function mutates those objects, the standard is to return none, rather than, say, the mutated object.
As you learned, the in-place shuffling was the problem. I also have problem frequently, and often seem to forget how to copy a list, too. Using sample A, len A, is the solution, using len A as the sample size. See this URL for the Python documentation. Here's a simple version using random.sample that returns the shuffled result as a new list.
The documentation for random.shuffle states that it will shuffle the sequence X in place. Don't do. Instead, do.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.